Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram can't add location to story. So let's get right into it. Now what you have to do is open up your Instagram application and then tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom middle of your screen. And after tapping on that plus icon, now you have to tap on story. And now you have to take a story. After taking a random story, just tap on the sticker icon which is on the top of your screen. And now what you have to do is add a location to your story, and if you try to add a location to your story, it will show you this error. Now to fix this error, what you have to do is just come back to your home screen, and now you have to search for settings, and after searching for settings, in search bar you have to search for apps, and inside apps you have to search for Instagram, and after searching for Instagram you have to tap on permissions, and now you have to check if your location is allowed, and if it's not, you have to allow that option. And after allowing that option, your problems might be fixed. But if this doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just come back to your home screen and then tap on Play Store and open your Play Store application, and in search bar search for Instagram. And after searching for Instagram, if you will find an update option instead of open, you just have to update your Instagram application, and by updating your Instagram application you will fix this problem. So this is how to fix Instagram can't add location to story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.